Ladies and gentlemen, you have just witnessed STEM in sport.
I am not a public speaker, but what I am is good at SEO.
We help children and families thrive through educational gymnastics.
Celtic Latin fusion food truck and catering business.
We solve HR chaos with clarity, compliance, and confidence.
After 6 weeks of workshops, countless hours of mentoring, and refining strategies, this year's Pitch Factory participants have made it to the finish line.
It's always exciting to me to see how businesses grow, how ideas develop, and how people come together to support each other.
With a $1,000 top prize on the line, they'll need to win over a panel of judges. These mentors, entrepreneurs, and small business experts will review every detail of their pitches. Up first, Amy Persorelli, representing her HR consultancy group.
Pitching does not come naturally to me, not a salesperson.
So there's different levels that companies can go to.
The $1,000 would help us with our initiative to do an online program to help those customers that maybe can't afford a full package, don't have time for that.
Next, Claudia and David Ramos. They're married business partners, and tonight, competitors.
We end up doing 2 pitches. My wife is going to pitch our Stretch Lab business, and I pitched our services business, which is called Serve and Scale.
They've each got a pitch, but only one can win.
And I hope it's me.
I hope it's her too.
Then there's Ivy Boyder.
I help businesses get found in search.
I needed $1,000 today to help my business gain access to a more comprehensive and inclusive reporting tool for reporting on metrics that matter to my clients.
Out in the hallway, we spotted Victoria Price getting a few final words of encouragement.
I was a little bit nervous, stressed, like, oh my gosh. So I missed my name being called. So I was like, okay, maybe they'll give me a chance.
While she finalizes her pitch, Fred Gilmore steps up to the plate.
I've had a dream since I was 8 to have a restaurant or food business. It is a Celtic Latin fusion food truck and catering business. I come from Irish and Scottish background, so things like shepherd's pie, Cornish pasties. My wife is Colombian, so arepas, empanadas. My kids coming from that, seeing the merger of our 2 cultures, gave me the idea for the basis of this business.
Aaron Adams runs an educational gymnastics program.
The $1,000 investment is going to help us purchase our mobile play equipment so we can launch our mobile business.
And now it's Victoria's moment.
We do back-end optimization, brand strategy, and digital content.
I think I did okay.
Now the judges tally up their scores.
Some of the things that I looked at is their confidence. As a business coach, I think it's important that they're very specific on who their customer segment is. I saw a lot of businesses that had a variety of customers, and I'm trying to figure out which one are you going to utilize for this presentation.
What set them apart was how well they were able to articulate what they were trying to accomplish with their business and how well they could tie it back to all the criteria that we had laid out for them to pass up on.
Outside, the participants wait anxiously, bonding over their shared journey and enjoying the network they've made along the way. Finally, it's time to present the big checks.
Our goal as a Chamber of Commerce is to see businesses become successful. And that's what we want to do with your business, because small business is what makes everything thrive in our community. Now for the good fun stuff, right? We're excited. Going to start with 3rd place. It's Jacksonville Play Studio.
Amazing. I'm so proud of myself, and I'm so thankful for everything I learned throughout the Pitch Factory to prepare me for my pitch today.
2nd place, Full Throttle.
It feels amazing, and I'm so blessed to be part of a great group of people.
1st place goes to Araceli Ruth.
Being here was reward enough, but then winning, well, don't make HR cry. It's a beautiful feeling. It's super excited.
and everyone walks away with the knowledge and confidence to take their next steps.
I've loved every second of the Pitch Factory. It really held me accountable with the weekly classes.
Some people think starting a business is easier than it really is, and the last few weeks at Pitch Factory has taught me a lot more of where I need to really be thinking as opposed to where I was.
I've really enjoyed it a lot. First of all, I love books, so getting those extra books has been really exciting.
It's a lot of work, but I think it's worth it. I don't think this will be the last one that I do.
Pitch Factory has given me tools and resources to learn how to pitch my company more effectively and more productively. Sign up, sign up, sign up, and pay attention in every class. It's worth your time.